Okay, this is your 48-hour update for central Pennsylvania, which includes Harrisburg, Lebanon, State College, Selinsgrove, Sunbury, Williamsport, Wellsboro, even touches on Bradford a little bit up that way too. So this will keep you abreast. You can see these are the temperatures right around now. Temperatures for the most part are in the 20s, except for the Susquehanna Basin through here, where temperatures are right around freezing. As we get into the nighttime hours, um, this takes you to around 5 in the morning. You see everybody's in the 20s. And as we go towards daybreak, temperatures remain in the 20s. This is your afternoon high temperatures. You can see to the north, 20s, to the south, um, lower to middle 30s. And as we get into Wednesday night, this is around 8 o'clock. Temperatures to the north are still in the 20s. Down south, they haven't dropped that much. They're in the middle 30s. And as we get towards Thursday morning around, this is around 5 a.m. What's going to come through is a clipper, but what's also going to come through is a cold front. And this is your leading area of cold air as you get to Thursday morning around 5 a.m. And you can see it's not going to matter what time of day it is. Temperatures are going to drop. This takes you to noontime on Thursday. Temperatures are dropping as we get towards the evening hours. This is around 6 o'clock. Temperatures are all in the 20s. And then as we get deeper into the night, here's around midnight, Thursday night, Friday morning, temperatures are in the 20s for everybody. So that's what's going on there. Now, precipitation wise, we have to keep that in mind because this can get quite interesting. Um, what's the winds are going to be very strong. You're going to have wind gusts 40, 45 mile an hour, which will bring those squalls further into Pennsylvania than the last bunch. Now, right now, this is Tuesday evening. You've got a little bit of snow to the north, but that will go into New York because the winds will change to the southwest and knock them out. But as we get into Wednesday, now this is around it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see a little bit of snow up there towards Bradford, but as it moves in, this is around 4 in the afternoon. It's right around, it's getting towards State College at this point, Wellsboro, and it's going to work its way across. Now, it's not a heavy snow. I mean, this is a light snow. This is around 5 o'clock. It's snowing at State College. It gets towards Williamsport and Selinsgrove around 11 at night, Wednesday night into Thursday. As you go through the nighttime hours, you can see it's not strong. But when we get to around 4 in the morning, look at these streamers here. These are heavy squalls that are picking back up, and it has to do a lot with the cold front coming through. And then as that cold front comes through, there's a burst of snow, and then these are the squalls behind it. This is on Thursday around 10 o'clock in the morning. You notice the squalls are coming down. This isn't anything to do with a storm. These are coming directly off the lake. So it's going to leave some accumulation, especially in the northern areas. And this takes you to, this is around midnight, Thursday night. And you can still see there are some lines, and squalls work. Wherever they line up, somebody's going to get some snow out of this. And this takes you to, like I said, around midnight. And that's where that's at. How much snow do we get? Again, uh, squall action controls it. As you can see, it is pretty heavy up here towards Bradford and up in these areas here. But as you get down this way, it's get less and less. Now, these areas where the white is, it's saying no snow. There could be a dusting to maybe 2 inches in a lot of these areas because where those little behind the cold front comes through, there's a burst of snow. Now, it may melt pretty quick, but there'll be a burst of snow where it could cover the ground just about anywhere. And that's what to keep in mind. Okay, that's your 48-hour update, and I will update this again Thursday, and we'll see how we're doing.